Okay, so um, hello everyone. My name is Afdal Zikri Alfalih, and today I would like to explain to you guys about PTG project. So, oh yeah, my metric number is 2421123. In this project, I chose the banking system with inheritance. So basically, the goal of this project is to demonstrate object-oriented programming, or OOP, in Java, such as classes, object, inheritance, constructor, and method overriding. In this system, I use a parent class called account and two child classes called saving accounts and current account to represent different types of bank account. Okay, so I think let's start with the parent class first. This one. So this parent classes is the called account. So it is represent general bank account and contains features such as like the account number, holder name, balance, and yeah. So other than the attribute, I also made the method called deposit, withdraw, and calculate interest. So basically, the deposit is so simple. It just um, to like adding a new amount of money to the balance. And then if it's true, it will return, I mean, it will print out the deposit successful and also print out the new balance. And if it's failed, I mean, if it's false, if it print out the failed and invalid amount. For the withdrawal, actually it's same with the deposit, but the difference is only the balance will be minus because yeah, the logic of withdraw is you take the money from your bank account. So if it's true, it will print withdrawal successful and also the new balance. And if it's false, it will print this one, which is insufficient balance. And then for the last method in this class is called calculate interest. For now, the calculate interest just return 0 because nothing to do with it. So now we are moving to the chart class, which is the saving accounts. So in this chart class saving account, it is an extent from the account class, this one. So this show inheritance because saving account is an account as well. I made a new attribute here, which is the interest rate, minimum balance, saving types. And then I use super here to, yeah, basically super is just used to call attribute from the parent class, yeah. So I don't need to write it anymore in this chat class. So yeah, and then I override the calculate interest method. Basically in saving account, it has different logic. So that's why the return is not 0 anymore. It is balance times interest rate. And for the withdraw method, yeah, it also has different logic. So that's why I made a new logic, which is this one, balance minus amount. If it's if the amount is more than balance, it will false, and then it will print out this one cannot withdraw because it doesn't is enough. So yeah, minimum balance must be maintained. The next type class is current account. Yep, the current account. Um, the current account is the child class. It is also extends from the account class. Um, I also made a new attribute here, such as overdraft limit, monthly fee, and account status. And yeah, just the same with the saving account. I made a new, I called a method, but I changed the logic here, which is the balance times 0.01, and also the withdraw. Basically, it's just the same with the savings class. The logic is it's just the same. Okay, now let's move on to the main class. I made it I name it as a bank test. Yep, to test the all of those classes. So here I create object called saving account SA, and then yeah, I just input the following attribute like the account number, holder name, the balance, interest rate, and also the minimum balance, and also the savings type, as well as the current account. Also, it also has the account number, the holder name, balance. The difference is here, which is the overdraft limit and also monthly fee and the yeah account status. And then yep, I just print out here and here. So let's run it. Yeah, these are the output. Um, Basically that's all from my code. So let's move on to the Q&A session. If you have any question, just ask me.
I have a question. Um, so like, can you list out like exactly which pieces of information you are saving inside the account class?
Yep. Wait. The account class. So here, so inside the account class, we are keeping track of three specific details for every single user. For example, like their unique name, unique account number, the full name of the account holder, and the current balance. Um, so it's showing how much money they have. So basically, that's all.
Oh, okay, okay, okay. Thank you, thank you.
Okay, so let's move on to the next question.
All right.
Okay.
I have a question. So, what was the main reason you decided to split the accounts into two separate classes? The saving account and the current account, instead of just keeping them together.
Okay, so sorry. I separate them because a savings account and a current account have very different rules, right? So for how they work. So putting them in different classes helps keep those rules clear and organized without messing them up. So basically, it's just to make it uh, clear and organized. So that's it. Thank you. So let's move on to the next question.
Yeah, I want to ask, how come the savings account class does not have the deposit method written inside it like the other methods do?
Okay. Uh, it does not need to have the method written inside it because it automatically borrows or inherits the deposit method from the main account class. Um, since adding money works exactly the same way for all accounts. So that's why we don't need to use the deposit method anymore in the savings class. Let's move on to the next question.
I want to ask, why do we need both of these new classes to extend the main account class? And also, what is the point of connecting them that way?
Okay, so um, they both extend the account class because at the end of the day, they are both just specific types of bank accounts that need to share the same common features, like having an owner and a balance. Yeah, simple as that. Okay, last question, please.
Uh, can you explain step by step what the program is actually doing in the background when a user tries to use a command like withdraw?
Okay, so first, the program stops to check the specific rules for that type of account to make sure that the withdrawal is allowed. And if the rules are met, it goes ahead and updates the balance to the new amount. Yeah, basically just like that.
Okay, thank
Okay.
you.
Yep. I think that's all for the Q&A session. I think let's move on to the reflection. Okay, so so from this project, I learned how inheritance helps reduce code duplication and makes programs easier to manage. And I also learned how method of writing allows different classes to behave differently using the same method name. So yeah, this project helped me understand how OOP or object-oriented programming can be applied to a real world system like banking. So, what can I improve from this project? Basically, if I were to improve the system, I would add user input and more detailed output, I mean. And yeah, I think that's all from my project, and thank you.